meron tayong tinatawag na statutory construction.
Mm.
How you interpret the law. How do you interpret what you believe is an ambiguous provision of law? You should inquire into the intention and spirit of the law. We are so fortunate that the framers of the 1987 Constitution are still with us, sharing their opinions, sharing their insights. I wish to believe, Christian, in terms of the intent and the spirit of the Constitution, bagaman I maintain that the Constitution is very clear, there's actually no need to interpret the same. But since there are varying opinions, I wish to submit, Christian, wala nang mas dudunong pa sa mga framers ng 1987 Constitution.